just want to talk about DAX. Okay, so if you were to take this trade, so let's say, for example, um, we will below that box. We should be below that box, which is what I put yesterday. Now the stop loss would be here, so it would be quite manageable. You could have had the stop here, which had been quite wide, and you would have had like quite a substantial loss, but it wouldn't have been like game over. Okay. And so what happened here is that they'd gone long, so we should be below that box. But what happened is that they changed their mind very quickly, and they sold. Let's come back. So it's this bit here we're looking at, okay? So coming up, and then they sold. So let's say, for example, you did get stopped out here or here, you would just change, you'd flip, and then you'd go long because of that. So you'd have a small loss, but then you'd have a win. And that massive pump would have easily overcome that loss that you had. Try and keep the stops tight, and then you can always reverse and then profit. So if for me, I would have probably had a stop here. But then again, do you want to be selling this market? You can see we're definitely trending higher, and we're a buy at the big picture. So you should be looking for buys, like with gold, for example, until the sentiment flips. You're looking for longs, okay? And once the head gets squished out of this and then we flip, then you could look for sells. So it keeps it a lot easier if you're only looking for buys rather than buys and sells, because you can get a little bit mixed, and you want to be, like Marco said in the trading chat, you want to be going with the trend, and you don't want to be fighting the trend. So you can see we're starting to trend here even. Right, and then it just carried on, had this little retracement, but we still maintained that upwards trend. Another one here, and a really big pump here. So just a quick one there is the placement of the stop loss. You want to kind of keep them quite tight and above the swing high. You could have had it here or here, and obviously the tighter the stop, the better. Sometimes, but sometimes you have to let it breathe. But keep practicing with the FXCM trading station. It's really good. And if you need me to help you, just let me know. Okay, and that's it on DAX. So just be careful, because it is a beast, and it's going to come up to squeeze the bears out. And it's getting to a point there's not going to be anyone left at some point. If it carries on doing this a couple of weeks, they're going to be completely deleted and eliminated. And then we should see price top out. Okay, so be careful, and there's just a quick video about the stop loss placement and the opportunity it gives you to reverse, and then that's your driver for the buy, is to sell. Right, it's when they sell it against the MA, you're looking to buy, right? And really, you're only really looking for buys because of the static sentiment. It's buy, go long. Okay.